Yeah, you want to look at the flowers, Max?
Yes.
Look at, so cute. Oh, look at. Do you like the blue one?
Yes.
Do you like the blue flower?
Yes.
Look at, which one is cute? Is it cute?
Red.
Do you like the red flowers?
Yes.
Yes? Do you want to plant more red flowers?
Whoa.
Yay!
Yay. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You want more red flowers?
Yes.
Red flowers!
Yes.
How about more blue flowers?
The blue.
The blue?
Yes.
What else? What else, Matt?
Alright.
Which one?
Alright.
You want more red flowers?
No.
No? Which one? This one?
Yes.
Yes?